I'm going to give you the single most important trading advice that you need to hear today, and you need to begin applying this starting tomorrow when the market opens. You have to stop inconsistently sizing your positions. What that means is you size one trade for a $100 risk. The next trade you size for a $500 risk. The next trade you size for a $25 risk. You cannot do that. You need to be sizing your trades consistently where you have a constant risk for every single trade that you take. Here's the problem with inconsistent sizing. Let's say you take 3 trades with $100 risk per trade and they end up all being winners. And you're up, let's say, $500 on the day. And now you're feeling invincible. You're feeling like you're on a roll. And on the next trade, you really size up. And all of a sudden, that trade ends up being a loser. And because you sized up on that one position and it lost, you erased and you gave back all of your profits for the day. So even though you had 3 wins and 1 loss, you're still either down on the day or break even when you should be up. This is a big mistake that a lot of traders make. You can let me know in the comments if you've ever made this mistake. And the problem here is getting greedy and inconsistently sizing your positions. What you should be doing is maintaining a constant risk until you're consistently profitable and you're comfortable with that risk. And once you feel like you're ready to increase your risk, you do that for every single one of the trades that you take. Always remember, consistency is king in trading, and that also applies to the amount that you risk per trade.